Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, as you can see, this is Malabar spinach, or popularly known in Goa as the Valchi Bhaji. It is an annual herb which can be easily grown. You can see it's growing well on my compound wall. And you know friends, what a joy it is to forage your own vegetables from your garden. Let me tell you that this vegetable is a load of vitamins A, C, iron, calcium, magnesium in it, and a must-try recipe. So keep watching till the end to cook this Malabar spinach in a special way, not with dal or the common way. Mostly it is cooked with dal, but today I'm going to show you how I cook this Malabar spinach, and I'm sure you would like to try this recipe. And friends, if you are new to my channel or already watching my channel for some time and not subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe now, and keep watching this video till the end to learn how to make Malabar spinach or Valchi Bhaji my way. Really enjoying right now foraging these spinach leaves from my garden. Especially on this windy, rainy day, it's about to pour right now. You can see it's already started drizzling. Here I have got the leaves washed well, and let's get started in cutting it. First thing, just collect these leaves like this, roll them up and cut them very fine. I'm cutting them very fine. You know, Malabar spinach or the Valchi Bhaji omelette also tastes very nice. I have on my channel the palak omelette. You can just replace the palak leaves with Valchi Bhaji leaves and make an omelette. You know, it tastes delicious and nutritious too. As you see, I finished cutting my spinach. Here I have got half cup of freshly grated coconut, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 3 spicy chilies and 3 not so spicy chilies. Yes, now let's grind it to a fine paste, adding water as required. My paste is ready. Let's get started with the cooking. Add oil to your pan. Add 1 large chopped onion, saute it. Add 1 large tomato, saute it, and now add the vegetable to this bagar and let the vegetable sweat first. Yes, just mix it, keep tossing it and on low flame, and let it sweat all its water, and then close and keep it on low flame for about 2 minutes. You see, after that it has already released its water and halfway cooked. I have not added any water till now. Add salt to taste as per your quantity of the vegetable. Add the coconut paste to the vegetable. I have been generous to add enough coconut to while grinding, making the paste. Add water and adjust the consistency. Mix it well. Make sure that you mix well. You know, you can see that it is little difficult to mix, but mix it well. Add 2 dry mango pieces and 2 red chilies. Now these chilies are just for flavor. They are Kashmiri chilies and would not add spice to it. I felt like there was a little more salt needed, so I added. You taste and you see. My gravy is ready. Yes, give it a final mix. Here, the delicious Malabar spinach or the Walchi Bhaji is ready to be relished. Friends, thanks for watching till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to Melita's Delicacies and watch my other veg recipes too. Happy cooking!